All right, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smiles. So we have with us this morning members of the Jamaica, not Weekend Smile. Why I keep saying Weekend Smile? It's Smile Jamaica. Good morning. We swim sometime on Weekend Smile, though, I should tell you. But we're here with members of the Jamaica national swim team, and they took home 92 medals, whopping 92 medals. Yes, look at clap for yourself. I cannot believe it. Absolutely amazing. So 25 team members, they took on the annual Goodwill Swim Meet and bested all the countries that turned up. And let me tell you, a whole heap of medals there to come, right? So 33 gold, 37 silver, 22 bronze, 13 new swim meet records, and 2 age group high point trophies. Congratulations. Take your bow. I don't know, I mean, coach, this took a lot of work, right?
It did.
Yeah.
It took a lot of work starting, they started training from the pandemic, finally, went out, and we started training for this meet. And it was a successful meet for us.
Yeah. Coach Kafir Rapley right here with us. And I want to just make sure I have all the team members' name. Jaleel, where's Jaleel? Put up your hand, Jaleel. There we are, Gianni. Right there, Gianni. We have Leah. Leah with a big trophy. Leah, your hand down. Your hand not hurting you? Your neck not hurting you with so many medals? Okay. We have Dirk. Hi, Dirk. Dirk, the trophy and the medal together, though. Jesus. Yes. We have Rihanna. She's not a singer, she's a swimmer, right?
Yes.
But, you guys supposed to feel very proud, though, right? Jaleel, let me start with you. Give him the microphone. Let us talk to him about, the fact that he won a gold medal in the 100-meter butterfly. Walk us through that race, because I can't really do that particular swim. I will just dive and get up back, and that's it. So how you win that now? 100-meter gold medal.
So it was 4 laps of the 25-meter pool, and it was very arduous, but I took into consideration what my coach taught me, which was to keep my underwaters tight and not to breathe off of each lap. So keeping that in mind, I had some challenges. I was flanked by some Trinidadians, but they weren't any challenge to me because I was ahead of them throughout the race, although I nearly got touched out at the end. But overall, it was a good swim.
Wow, incredible. I'm just in awe of everybody. No, this is incredible. Gianni, I want to talk to you real quick because you medaled in all of your races and you set 3 individual meet records.
Yes, I did.
How long you been swimming for, Gianni? Long time?
Yes, it's a long time. Well, I'll say since 5. That's my estimate, I guess.
So tell us about the races that you medaled in, though, because you did how many races total?
I did 8 races.
8 races? And
yes,
you got
I
the medal
did.
for all of them. How many gold medals, how many silver, how many bronze?
So I got 6 gold medals and 2 silvers. 3 of them I got individually in those 3 races that I set meet records in. And I also got 3 gold medals in my 3 relays.
Wow.
And I also got 2 silver medals in my 2 other events.
Mercy. Everybody's a superstar in this team, coach.
All superstars.
It looks so.
Yes.
Leah, you have an incredible story because you competed in 12 races over 3 days.
Yeah.
So you're never tired at all, Leah?
I wasn't tired during the competition. That's for the adrenaline. Afterwards, I crashed.
Wow.
I was asleep for a good while.
I can imagine. I can imagine. What was the most memorable race for you?
Wow, that's a great question. I'd like to say I can't pick one of the relays.
Yeah.
All the relays are amazing. And Gianni was on my relay team. They're all amazing. But individually, I guess I should say the 100 back was the most memorable one. I felt really good in it, and that was the one I set the meet record in. So
Wow.
that's the one I remember.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
That's immaculate work. And then Dirk, we hear that you are the man with you do long, what is it now? Long distance swimming and short distance swimming as well. So how many meters that look like? For short distance, how many meters does that look like usually?
Well, the shortest distance is a 50-meter freestyle. Well, 50 meter at Goodwill at least. So that's the shortest race, and I did 3 50s, 50 fly, back, and free. And then I went up to 200, which was the 200 Ironman free. So that was the longest distance of the meet.
Oh my gosh! Wow, are you feeling good about your wins?
Definitely feeling good. It's a good meet. I think I did well. I think I executed properly. So I'm feeling good about the meet overall.
Yeah. And Rihanna, you won a gold medal in your 100-meter freestyle. Wow, but you also set a new meet record Tell them the new meet record that you set.
I stopped the clock at 1 minute, and the meet record was 1:01. So.
I don't like when I make me feel right now as a non-swimmer. You understand? It's like I don't feel so nice anymore. Coach, I have to talk to you about, just swimming overall being considered to be a non-traditional sport though locally, and the support that the team has received over the years. Who are some of the people that has stood beside the national swim team?
Well, in addition to the Swimming Association that has stood beside this team, all our sponsors, I can't name all of them now, but you have Grace Kennedy, you have Proven, you have Carimed, you have Gatorade that sponsored our bags and gears. Our team manager. Yeah. She's always giving me a list of them to call out, which I can't remember all of them, but I just want to say thank you, the heartiest thank you to all of you. Yeah. Like I said, because of your support, that is why the team was able to perform at this level,
Your team manager can swim, I had to ask her, she's very familiar
she
to the
swims
team,
and she teaches as well. I must big up our team manager. Yes, Carla.
Love that. So what's next for the team now? You guys did so well at this game. You take a break, or do you get ready for the next meet? What's going to be next for you?
Well, most of them are on a break right now, but from speaking to them throughout this process, I know that they're heading on to bigger meets, in terms of some of them for the CC Can Championships, and some of them for Carifta coming up next year, which their training starts literally right now. Yeah. Preparation for those meets will start right now. Yeah. And I'm sure that you will see all of them on the platform representing us, getting podium finishes, and coming back here to tell you about their stories.
There are a lot of young people who may be watching right now. They're doing swimming, at school, or just a matter of, going to a swim class on a Saturday. How would one join the national swim team? How could I get in? How could I get in?
The national swim team, well, first of all, I would say work with your coaches right now. Listen to your coaches. Keep perfecting your craft, and with that, you enter competitions, and you get the good times, and that is when you're considered to be on the national swim team. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. And what else are you guys looking forward to, team? Anybody can take this question. Having won so many medals, what's gonna be next for the team? What you looking forward to most?
Well, I'm looking forward, I hope to see everybody here, that was on the Goodwill team. I meet them up back, well, I can't go to Carifta and pass it, but at CC Can, then we see each other, it's like, you're on the Goodwill team. I was like, yeah, I hope to see everybody back there and at higher meets. So that's what I'm looking forward to most.
Yeah, I love that. All right, well, it has been really a pleasure speaking with everybody, because this is a great accomplishment, and congratulations to every single team member. You want to big up anybody before we wrap up? Anybody want to big up anybody who's tuning in? Mommy, daddy, anybody?
My mom, who's watching right now. I hope she's very happy. I big up my mom.
Big up to my parents, my coach, Coach Jillian Millwood. My school, because why not? Campion College, the greatest school ever.
Oh, Lord, here
and me, of course, and God, of course. Thank you.
I'd like to thank my parents, the sponsors, and I'd also like to thank Father up above.
Big up to my mom and my father, who is also watching this right now. Yeah.
I want to thank the parents, all the coaches, all the teammates that helped us, pushed us to be here, and thank you.
Awesome. I would like to give thanks to the Most High, thank God, and thanks to everyone who has supported us on this journey. Really thank you to my assistant coach, Ricky. I have not thanked him throughout any of the journey, and I know I couldn't have done this without him. Also to Miss Carla Hollingsworth. This would not have been possible without you. She's the manager that works after the meet is finished. Yeah. So to managers out there, work after the meet is finished.
And Coach Tori as well.
And Coach Tori, who is in Montego Bay. I know he's watching right now. The perfect assistant that any head coach could ever ask for.
Hey, congratulations to everybody a part of the team. And congrats, guys. Thanks for representing Jamaica so well. Jaleel, Gianni, Leah, Dirk, Rihanna, all swimmers of the Jamaica National Swim Team, and of course, Coach Kafia Rapley. Thank you so much. We'll be right back with much more right here on Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
Congrats, guys.